YouTube? It's your girl Shay OJ and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Baby, if you like it, come and get it. Gotta give me and my bitches a percentage. Don't look back cause we got the expenses. We got hundreds and Chanel next to the Baddie. This is how we like it every single night.
So this is going to be my very first video on this channel, Shay OJ. I kind of wanted to brand this account because I was like, you know what? People know me by Shay OJ. I've been doing videos on my ReArt420 account. If you don't follow that account, follow it. But I'm just like, when it comes to my life and the stuff that I want to do and the things that people ask me on my personal account, I think I'm just going to direct it more towards this channel, and then anything having to do with music videos, all of that will go on ReArt420. I realized that a lot of people ask me about the clothing that I'm wearing. Obviously, when I post pictures, I don't like to wear things that you can get from any regular place. I live in a city where there's really only one mall that you can shop at, so the likelihood of you wearing the same thing as somebody else at a party, at a wedding, at your birthday, at your own birthday, is very, very likely. When I want to feel like a Baddie, there is no way you will catch me buying something that I know that everybody and their mama is going to have on their back. I'm gonna start with Aliexpress. I'm telling y'all be sleeping on Aliexpress. When it comes to these outfits that you guys see on Fashion Nova, where do y'all think they're getting these fits from? I've been buying hair from Aliexpress, I want to say like my whole life, but it was only like the last 2 or 3 years that I realized that there are gems on that bitch. Like you can buy Beyonce's fucking fits. You can find an exact replica of Beyonce's fits on Aliexpress. So if I can find a replica of Beyonce's homecoming outfit, you best believe I can find damn near anything. Anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite outfits. If you guys fuck with the outfits, they will be down below in the description box. I will put all the information that I have from each outfit. The size that I have will be down below in the description box. And yeah, so here is Baddie on a budget. What's poppin', y'all? So this is the first outfit. It's a cute ruffled mesh 2-piece set, and I got it for $19.94 Canadian dollars. I originally got this outfit for Caravana, so I did end up getting the shorts tailored, and I just got the elastic to be a bit tighter. Would I do that on the regular? No, because this outfit was literally $20, but it is so cute. Look at that. And look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh, made my butt look really good. They got that cute little jewel. This outfit is so adorable, and I definitely would rate it 10 out of 10. So this is the next outfit that I got. It is a leopard print backless bodycon mini dress. I got this for $12.65, and to be honest, I believe I saw this on another YouTuber's haul for Aliexpress, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, nah, I need to buy this because it made her body look bomb, and I knew 100% that I needed to purchase it. So that's why I got it. It looks amazing on dark skin. It makes your body look so nice. Only complaint is that you do have to tie up the arms yourself, and I won't lie to you, I did have a club mishap. So if you don't want your titties to be slipping, you definitely have to make sure that they are secure. Use some tape or something. But other than that, absolutely love this dress. This is a top that I have. Don't really have pants to go with it, to be honest. Actually I do, but that's on its way. So because it's on its way, and I'm just gonna wear these shorts with it. But this is the product. There's a lot of these, to be honest, on Aliexpress. There's a lot. I just wanted to get this one. There's no specific reason why. Honestly, I haven't even worn it out. It's kind of bad. I basically babble on about how I have nowhere to go wearing this outfit, but this is a bodysuit, and I did get it for $15.38. I did buy this in a medium, but I would recommend getting them in a large because This barely fit my boobs. Every time I wear this fit, you can literally see my bra, so I just make sure that it's the same color, pink or whatever. But and I'm a double D, but I have a very small frame, so and yeah, basically the arms are too short as well. It is nice, but for $15.38 I would expect the quality to be a bit better. But other than that, honestly, really cute. I haven't really seen it anywhere out before. Like 7 out of 10. You know the vibes. The look of this bodysuit kind of reminded me of all the bathing suits I have actually purchased from Aliexpress as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing a haul, basically just dedicated to bodysuits and swimsuits, then let me know. I also have a bunch of accessories from Aliexpress. These glasses in specific, I wore them with my first outfit. But if you guys are interested in a haul specifically for accessories from Aliexpress as well, then let me know in the comments down below. This next outfit is a snake print mini dress. I'd actually say midi because it goes pretty well down to my knees. I got this just for $12.85. It does shape the body really well. I wouldn't really say it's my favorite though. The quality of the fabric is not that great. It's kind of washed out. I feel like in the sun it just doesn't look as great as the picture. But to be honest, it is a nice dress. Like I said, $12.85. You can't really go wrong. I got this in a size small and it's really comfortable, so I would definitely wear it out, just not often. The next item of clothing are okay, they are some denim shorts. Don't mind those damn lip gloss stains in my back pocket, but anyways, I got these a long time ago. To be honest, I don't even have the link to the AliExpress that I did get them on, but I do have a very similar pair in the description box below. That's $21 dollars. Okay, that's enough. But those are really comfortable shorts, and I definitely would recommend them for the summertime. Makes your butt look great. So another one of my little casual pickups would be this t-shirt. Oh my god, if you know me, you know that I absolutely love Kendrick Lamar. It's literally my baby daddy, but I think there's a whole bunch of just rappers and all different types of pop culture references on t-shirts on AliExpress that can easily be bought. This one was $9.15, and as soon as I saw it, I said, I need to get this. I think it's such a dope design. The cotton's really nice. I've washed it so many times and it still looks brand new. So this is the next dress, guys, and to be honest, I hated this when I first got it. You know, sometimes you realize the body don't really come with the outfit. So I was a bit disappointed. I won't lie. I was disappointed. You know, for some reason I thought I would look like Lori Harvey, but I don't. I really don't. So if you got a body, mommy, get this. But you know, my body be looking like flatbread sometimes. When I wear this dress, I usually wear a waist trainer with it, which I also got from AliExpress. So I'll link the waist trainer down below as well, because that shit saved my life. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you go from cardboard to hourglass. You know what I'm saying? So this just does look pretty damn close to what Lori Harvey was wearing. I got it in a size small, and it was $15. So for $15, this is a really good dress, you guys. Definitely recommend it. And last but not least, we have one of my favorite outfits that I've gotten thus far from AliExpress. It is an overall casual romper jumpsuit that zips up all the way from the bottom in this beautiful tan color. It also does come with a belt. I guess I didn't wear it, but it does look cute with or without. I got this for $27.41. I bought it for one of our performances, but because of Miss Rona, I never got to perform in it. That being said, it is super stretchy and it is a really good steal. You are bound to look absolutely gorgeous in this fit. Promise you. I want to say like 30 days in advance for the outfits, because you never know how long it's going to take for those outfits to come in, especially in this pandemic. I have about like I want to say 10 to 15 packages from AliExpress waiting. I have a whole wig probably at the post office. RIP to her. Alright guys, so that is it for my very first video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. So I'll be doing some makeup tutorials, I'll be doing some hair tutorials, whatever you guys want, comment down below and I got it for you. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my video and I will see you guys next time.
Oh, money, money, baby, go. Shit's hysterical. Yeah, this shit